Hey, me mwakwa baba me YouTube channel no so. Edi ne ye learn tech in twi. Ade bi ya channel ha bia ye chichire mu e wo twi se ne be ya. Bia benya better understanding ye e wo bibia mu. Enti ene video ye be kasa fa ho ye how we create YouTube account. Yeah, YouTube channel rather. How we create YouTube channel. The people be finding difficult to create YouTube channel. And a YouTube channel you be creating as well. Make sure some tricks be and I say some ways be be fast with the create channel umbrella subscribers and I say views. Yeah, we use this method umbrella or subscribers and views into benya engagements be after YouTube. And you can see YouTube channel crown. So when I also say I was in create YouTube channel. First one I make us find what you say put him the promote product and I say services. Also do how turn near man I say do how render services to people. And this say ultimate create YouTube channel. Now YouTube so the almost we are seeing we are getting access to YouTube. And YouTube is a big platform which in the making sales because YouTube is a very big, like a large community. You say the second biggest search engine because we'll be part there. First thing I'll be honest with Google. Yeah, if you Google now say or be a practical thing, be up say on share video on how to do that thing now. And when I say the best way, and I say option B will be make and so local YouTube now go search for that particular thing. It is ultimately making video to YouTuber with me anya sales every. And a second one so make us found say with me anya every YouTube partnership program. Yeah, it is with me a creative channel and I say with me reach on threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours now. With me I join a YouTube partnership program now yeah, and also a second way basic anya sky YouTube. And next one so make us found I say with me I run as YouTube here. Say who followers be bra with me name brand dona kasa. Yeah, no why videos among no what this guy aside say who promote one kasa who put that no so promote video among nani pakro atwa uka. Yeah, basically no we three ways I will be see I make YouTube three reasons are with me so I make YouTube channel. And the YouTube channels will create a free there is no way say work here before so we create YouTube channel. And the idea here I will say we see idea here was a winner for creating a channel either so mobile phone and as a computer and a Gmail accounts, yeah, Gmail account, Google Mail accounts. Only me use any other email accounts behind it. Either say Gmail account I'm going to be my YouTube channel. It is only YouTube channel email accounts create very simple with my creativity with very simple steps. And are there also here and say maybe your browser. This time you use browser, maybe your browser. Yeah, now about youtube.com. Actually, youtube.com. We are very simple. We are okay. And as a major link in the crowd description into clicking on it until about youtube.com and over this kind of place. Yeah, into over page where on the never be I say but if you top right corner have some blue thing here and a different color here white down into choose here clicking on it I'll some list viewer. Now we'll switch accounts. We'll switch account as well. Now about other account also. Yeah, me too for someone you see personal Gmail account and yet create new Gmail accounts and as all different Gmail account aside personal one fair no fire. So clicking on add new account and so page when you the it is a new other Gmail account and also what PC address no. So when you so I click on create account and so now passing through some simple steps. Now what my PC we are on next and so. To one next and I know what time on the load here. So good internet connection there, be load internet. And see Gmail address now the moment. I'm request for password. Now I enter password no. Actually I come. So when I say the I see that no about next and so. Password now we enter in a corrector. I be logging into Gmail account now. Or try to login. Yeah, this is logging me in what Gmail account now create here. And this say to me load the next thing I also can say I'm clicking on that profile. Always in that top right corner on it. Create a channel. Yeah, create a channel. na click on create a channel. Nti ha say no e be for channel name nti din a person the to channel no so wait my son time bia bit my son time bia bia nti no what you see din a person on fan to channel no so yeah nti this see idea me use viral TV nti viral TV me bo viral TV no a share say kama nti me bo bia area na click on create channel no so yeah bo create channel no so I be load nti me in pia man load ni next page area yeah nti say e de me ko channel no so ba channel me nyan creative way channel no me nyan hye e wo se ne me bu am hye na channel no edimu ubeti ma click on be me de we na tom na upload the channel profile but you see am ye am channel profile into this here nti yan click on customize channel no ko add some features ebeti mama o channel no outstanding of channel be brave yeah so no be able to make free subscribers na impression be brave o videos now until we continue so until we are very place a bit more customize the channel until first one on the layout when you post video be until layout necessary the yen kasa from layout no there you go branding until yen ko branding so to ko branding high say so bit me I upload the channel profile click on upload no so bit me upload the channel profile and with me so design channel banner make sure how we say design channel banner and to subscribe the channel say na be me chira with me follow until I say no description na kasafa with me a type bibia show but type ya there e kasafa channel no tibia o channel no ya about say we post entertainment and funny videos be kasa afa ni na ho ha betum so add o number yes na bia o channel no ni na say we say we ye advert bia also nkofo betim a chat so yeah my main prayer there o my channel no so like if I'm a channel no ingu ha say yeah this here my boy you know if scroll it down I say with me after o channel URL no yeah any channel link no do it my copy na send them on now for send me I'm subscribe to the channel with me so add social media links and the links be and also make sure on this video because video bet it's na boring thing make sure on this video do we about publishing so not a CV about publishing so not a CV so we are next time I also you know check left bottom corner no so yeah o share asia wa be who settings be o high yeah o share asia settings now click on settings very important and also one that go steps way na very important and o click on settings now I say general first one default unit yeah wait my living is a man hwe wo hobi nti yanko channel yenhwe na ebit my ya ho no to select a channel so be basic info nti I say wait my select a country of residence but be free but be say wa o set o create Gmail account YouTube channel we if you see your Ghana nti we be search for Ghana me click on Ghana na keywords no so keywords no akasafa adea channel no is be our channel no about entertainment say be my channel about entertainment na me add keywords into entertainment me add anything relating to entertainment was a keyword session yeah nti magic about entertainment Ghana showbiz adding music to it yeah nti anything relating to the channel as keywords as keywords nti we are community so community look me add moderators and if we be able to me aboa ma can say we manage your channel yeah with my add na is so with my add managers ne yes and they can kind ma aboa na manage until we are not clicking on same so yeah and basically no we know how I be creating YouTube channel yo many features our how is it done no you make a safa home later on you mean impressive video you be tintin yeah you make a safa home later on make sure how we see uploading videos here unya mfonso bia yeah this is a channel no new we take time make sure how we see a creative videos now uploaded to YouTube successful wonya how be YouTube for so basically when a very simple way and as a good way basically afa a create YouTube channel we are very necessary until also follow these steps and as possible or side video with my join my Telegram channel so na be ya me post video ho am so be ka ye na me be ho intimi mfa meto amere so ba wo join yan so be bo so I want to be see I go to my leave our comment section my reply as soon as possible and as possible or side video